Hey everyone, so today's lesson is how to find the slope of 2 points using the slope formula. So here I listed our 2 points. We have x1, y1, so that's our first point, and then x2, y2, that's our second point. So to use the slope formula, you take those values, and it helps when you label, so you'll see when we look at an example, and you do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. From there, you do your subtraction and you simplify your fraction, and then you're done. So that is the slope formula. So let's use this so we can see exactly how we do this. Okay, so it says, what is the slope of the line that passes through the points -2, -1, and 2, -3? Write your answer in simplest form. So that means if we have a fraction, we have to make sure we simplify that fraction. That's very important. So the first thing I want to do here is I want to label these points. There, I won't be confused, so I'm going to do x's in red. This is x1, this is x2, and then I'm going to do the y's in blue. y1, y2. Make sure those numbers match from point to point. So you can't have 1, 2, 2, 1. It has to be 1, 1, and 2, 2. It's the only way this is going to work. Now you have m equals, and our formula said on top we want y2 minus y1. I'm going to write this in blue. So y2 is -3. So -3 minus y1 is -1. So I'm going to put that in parentheses, minus -1. Over, now same thing, but x2 minus x1. So x2 is 2 minus x1 is -2. So I'm going to put that in parentheses also. So this is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Now, we're going to use our skills from algebra. We know if we have two negatives next to each other, that makes a positive. So that happened 2 times. So now I'm going to just rewrite this so it looks a little less crowded. So this becomes -3 plus 1 over 2 plus 2. Now let's simplify that. -3 plus 1, that gives us -2. And then 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now, ask yourself the question, can we simplify this fraction, -2 over 4? The answer is yes, we definitely can. A number that can go into 2 and 4 is 2. So we're going to divide both by 2. It's going to stay negative. Now, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And that is your answer. That is the slope between these 2 points using the slope formula. All right, so whenever you're doing this on your own, first label your points. Make sure it's 1, 1, 2, 2, and then plug it into your formula the correct way. If you need your formula written somewhere so you can see it, that's fine. But make sure you do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, good luck.